Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to customize control center and redesign to next level on One UI 8.5. So let's begin. Okay guys, look at this. This is One UI 8.5 control center, and simply tap on edit button and you edit toggles like this in One UI 8.5. Look at this. This is customization of One UI 8.5 control center, but now let me show you how to change toggles, background and redesign your control center on One UI 8.5. So first go to Galaxy Store and download Good Lock. Simply download Good Lock, tap and open, and go to plugin, and guys, update all Good Lock plugins. After update, simply go to Quick Start, turn on Quick Start plugin and simply tap on edit panel, and look at this. Now you change toggles background, completely customize with custom photo from gallery. Now simply tap on button box and select image from gallery. Look at this, I select image and tap on apply. Now let me show you. Look at this. Now select media player background from gallery. Look at this media player background. Now brightness slider background. And volume style background. Now guys, let me show you how to change backgrounds of toggles. Simply tap on buttons and one by one change backgrounds of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound. Let me show you. Simply tap on Wi-Fi, select image from gallery, tap on apply, and look at this Wi-Fi background. Now let me show you Bluetooth background. Simply tap on Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth background. Now change one by one all toggles background. Now look at this guys, I set all toggles and my control center completely customized and redesigned to next level. Simply tap on borders, and guys, remember this option always turn on. Now let me show you. Look at this border around toggles. It means this option is turn on, and when I turn off Wi-Fi, then border also hide from toggles. It means this Wi-Fi is turned off. Look at this. And if you customize your toggles like this, then toggles background also redesign from toggles shape. Look at this. And if you want to reset your control center, then again go to Good Lock, go to Quick Start and simply go to controls. Simply delete all buttons or turn off Quick Start, and your control center is reset. And guys, if you go to advanced setting, then now you set edit landscape layout, and second option show bar levels. Look at this: bar level, brightness and volume style level. Look at this third option, resize panel item. It means you freely resize your panel items like this. Look at this. And expand color palette. Button spacing, you also set button spacing and custom split panel ratio. So this is complete customization and redesign control center of One UI 8.5. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.